And in this video, I'm inviting you on a journey into the space where vulnerability is not weakness, but the ultimate strength that fuels genuine connection and trust. So by the end of this video, not only will you understand why vulnerability is the key to creating safe, collaborative environments, but you'll also walk away with actionable strategies to apply in your own team. So if this sounds like something your organization could benefit from, so do me a favor, please click the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it, and share this video with anyone who needs to hear the message. Okay, so now let's dive into why trust is absolutely essential for teams to succeed. Imagine a scenario at work where every email, every meeting, and every decision carries a subtext of doubt. A place where team members are hesitant to openly share ideas and admit errors, fearing judgment or retribution. So what happens in that scenario then? Not much progress, right? Trust isn't just a nice to have. It is the glue that holds every successful team together. Think about how a lack of trust manifests in a typical corporate setting. Perhaps you've seen it when colleagues hide mistakes rather than learning from them, or when communication stalls because everyone is walking on eggshells. And these are clear signs that something is amiss. The roadblocks to building trust often include fear of judgment, an overly competitive environment, or even historical baggage that continues to haunt teams' interactions. And as we move forward, I want you to reflect on these moments when you or someone else hasn't felt safe to speak up. Those experiences are exactly why we need a culture where vulnerability is valued. Okay, so what's vulnerability? At its core, vulnerability means showing up fully and authentically, even when there's a risk of emotional exposure. It's about having the courage to be imperfect, to share raw emotions, and to let others see the real you. So in a team setting, vulnerability fosters open communication and creates the safe space necessary for genuine feedback. Imagine being in a meeting where everyone is actively listening without judging. Imagine an environment where success comes hand in hand with acknowledging and even learning from failures. So let me give you an experience of a real example. Picture this scenario in a corporate communication. During the team meeting, a member shares an idea, and then later on admits that the initial suggestion wasn't fully thought through. In self-criticism, they receive praise for their honesty. That act of vulnerability not only encourages them to grow, but also inspires others to share their own mistakes. This kindness of openness creates a ripple effect, building emotional connections and driving teams towards higher levels of collective success. Vulnerability allows for honest human connection. It drives empathy and understanding. It creates an environment where every contribution is valued, regardless of how imperfect it might be. And isn't that what we are longing for? A space where our errors are not punishments, but opportunities for growth.